welcome back to my channel, The 4 R's. Today is a great day to be alive in the land of the living. Yes, family, it is a great day to be alive in the land of the living. So today we are going to continue with decorating the fireplace mantle and the bottom of the fireplace. The harp is not an actual harp, is something that I invented, so I'm going to show that to you. So if you remembered, I had this shelf. I did the garland, as you could see. So that's the garland. Okay, so up underneath the garland I put my nativity scene right there. You could see everything right here, and this is so just beautiful. This is the reason for the season. Okay, so now we're going to go over here, and then I have my Noel sign right here that I put on the shelf right there. See that? And then over here I have a small little nativity set up right here, cottage right there, and then right here I should have put something in that space right there, but that's okay. Then I have my bookend right there. So that is what on top of the shelf looks like. Okay, so now coming down, I have my television here. I had a fireplace here, but for some reason it did not come on, so I took it down, put the TV here, and then I put some subway tiles on the back of the wall right here. Okay, so that's what I did there, and then that's my TV with the view. And then coming down to the bottom, this is what I've done here. So I have a nice little village right here, and see I have my nice big hummingbirds right there, and I put them in the sled right here, and I just add some red fairy lights around there. Okay, and then I have another one right there, and over here I put some green lights right here. And then over here I have Mr. Santa Claus, and look at what he is bringing for us, the birth. Okay, and then we have another one, another little village right there, an angel right there, the Santa right there. So this is what I have done. And then I have my reindeer, so give me 1 second. So these are the reindeers that I put here, and then I made a bed with the greenery so it looks like they're eating some grass. Okay, and this is just some garland, miscellaneous pieces I put there, and then put the gold bead in there to give it more of an ambience. Okay, so this is it, family. I do hope that you enjoy my fireplace mantle, top and bottom. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to leave me a comment in the box below, and I will see you in my next video, or I am at yours. Be blessed.